What is Acknowledgement of Receipt AOR? What is an Acknowledgement of Receipt letter IRCC AOR? Is an official letter that the IRCC sends you confirming they have received your application and will start processing it. Why would you need an Acknowledgement of Receipt? You will need an AOR to communicate with the government about your application. The most important point of an AOR is it's an Acknowledgement of Receipt of your application. This means that it gives the date that the IRCC, former CIC, opens up or looks at in the case of online application and begins to process your application. This date is key because it impacts on several issues. The age of any dependent children is taken as the age on the date of the AOR, not on the date you sent the application, especially in the case of paper applications. This means that if your child is 21 and they turn 22 between the date that you sent off your application and the date of the AOR, they will no longer be considered dependent children, unless they qualify beyond the age of 21, due to reasons like disabilities, etc. Even with online applications, the date of the AOR can sometimes be a day or two later than the date you electronically submitted your application. The date of expiry of the validity of supporting documents, like your language test results, medical exams, or professional certifications, for example, must be after the date of the AOR. If not, you'll have to retake and resubmit these tests or certifications. Often, for economic immigration programs in express entry, for example, you will need a certain number of years of eligible work experience during the last 5 years, or sometimes 10 years. Say your eligible work experience began nearly 5 years ago and your application gets lost for a while in the shuffle and is opened months later. This means that you may no longer have sufficient work experience because IRCC will start counting from 5 years from the date of your AOR, not the date that you sent in your application. In other words, make sure you have a cushion of up to several months of extra time in the case of the validity period of exams or tests or certification results. Apply significantly early or retake the exams, tests or certifications to avoid having your application set back by months. If the validity period for your work experience is about to run out, apply as soon as possible or try to obtain more work abroad in that occupation before applying to express entry. Are you worried your application will get rejected because of an error? When you hire a specialist from our Immigroup network, you'll get an advocate who's knowledgeable, honest and reliable. Most of all, you'll get peace of mind. Contact us today and see why so many of our clients are with us for life. In the case of a paper application, it's best to use a courier that requires a signature when they deliver your application package so you can track when the package arrives at IRCC. Once you get your AOR, you can also link your paper application to your online account at IRCC. This will enable you to check your progress by tracking your application status online. However, remember that the date on your AOR may be later than the date your courier service delivers your application package to IRCC. As IRCC says at their website, there may be a delay between the date we receive your application and the date we open it. In the case of an online application, you'll see a confirmation page after you hit the Submit button. Then within a short while, although there may occasionally be a few hours delay, you should receive a confirmation message, email, with a confirmation number in your online account. When applying through a Visa Application Centre VAC, make sure to ask about their tracking service which tells when your application has been received at the IRCC office that will be processing your application. Citizenship Certificate. An AOR with a Citizenship Certificate application generally means that the IRCC has deemed that your application is complete. Study Permit. As with most applications, an AOR does not necessarily suggest you won't be contacted for additional supporting documents. It just means IRCC has opened up and begun to process your application. Work Permit. As with study permits, it means they have begun to process your application, as is also the case for the following applications: Visitor Visa, TRV, Temporary Resident Permit, TRP, Authorization to Return to Canada, ARC. How to get an Acknowledgement of Receipt. IRCC mails or emails you your AOR when they open up your application. You do not apply for an AOR. It's something the government sends you after they receive and open up your application. Remember, however, that an AOR doesn't necessarily mean that you will not have to provide additional documents. As the sample letter below indicates, after they have sent you your AOR, IRCC may contact you later for further information and/or additional supporting documents. Further, once you have gotten your AOR, there may be delays in processing, and you may have to wait for months for IRCC to finish processing your application. FAQs. How to fix a mistake on my AOR. This depends on what the mistake is. An AOR, as we show above, is a sort of receipt stating that the IRCC has received and started to look at your package. It includes the date your application was opened and normally began to be processed, your Unique Client Identifier, UCI, your application number, and other information. There is no personal information of yours aside from these data points, which are generated by IRCC. If, however, there is a problem using your UCI or application number, you should go to the IRCC's website and fill in their web form to let them know of the problem. When can I check my application status? You can only check your application status after you have received an Acknowledgement of Receipt letter from IRCC. How long does it take to get your Acknowledgement of Receipt? It can take up to several months before you receive an AOR from the date you submit your application. How do I know whether my application has been received by IRCC? There are two main ways. First is to have a tracking service with your courier delivery service or through a Visa Application Centre, which also offers tracking services. The second way is when you receive your AOR from IRCC. Please note that your AOR will arrive sometimes months after IRCC has received your application. That's because it sits in a mailroom with other backlogged applications until an IRCC case officer has time to open up and review the application, after which they will send you an AOR. Does an AOR mean my application is complete? Not necessarily. If you are applying through express entry, your automatically generated AOR does not guarantee you won't be asked for further documentation. In the case of citizenship certificate applications, on the other hand, it does generally tend to indicate that your application is complete. With other immigration applications, you may sometimes be asked to provide further supporting documents, even after getting an AOR. What is an AOR in PR process? An AOR is the same format regardless of your application. What does change is the time it may take to receive an AOR from IRCC. How long does it take to get a PR after an AOR? With permanent resident applications, AORs tend to take several months, and sometimes longer, before IRCC sends one to you. How long does it take to get an AOR for a spousal sponsorship? Similar to PR applications, you can wait for several months before getting your AOR with a spousal sponsorship. Remember, these are involved applications, with lots of supporting documents involving both the sponsor and those being sponsored, so IRCC tends to be a little slower with these. How long does it take to get my Citizenship Certificate after I have received my AOR? As of September 2022, it takes the IRCC around 26 months to process a citizenship application. You should receive your AOR within a month or two. Sometimes it may be several months of submitting your application. That means that it can take around 20 months between receiving your AOR and getting your certificate. Click here to check the IRCC application timelines. So what other questions or experiences do you have about the AOR? Leave it in the comments section below.